Hello friends, myself Dr. Tanaji Bangar, and today we will see about the non-communicable disease or lifestyle diseases. In last 3 to 4 decades, there is a sudden surge of the non-communicable disease from the earlier infective diseases like a pneumonia or tuberculosis or the gastro. But the sudden focus has been changing due to the vaccination, the medical advancement, the discovery of the new antimicrobial agents or the good hygiene practices. But these global deaths or the non-communicable disease deaths, around 71% the deaths are from the non-communicable disease globally, and this counts around 41 million deaths every year, which is quite huge number. But these deaths can be prevented by the awareness among the population, or at the same time we can following some healthy habits that will prevent these deaths. Already World Health Organization has warned the developing countries like India or Asian countries that it countries might be the capital for the future among the non-communicable diseases. So we have to prevent the diseases, because these diseases are going to engulf or falling prey the youngest population around 30 to 60 years of age group, that is the earning population for that country. So it is not a challenge only for healthcare sector, but it is a challenge for the global economy or for that country's economy. So we must act today to prevent these deaths, prevent this disease, its complications. Otherwise, we can learn these healthy habits, or we can follow these healthy habits. At the same time, we have to leave the sedentary lifestyle or comfort lifestyle. At the same time, we have to follow the active, physically active lifestyle that will definitely encourage us to get rid on this non-communicable disease, or to stay away from the non-communicable disease. Already we can, how we can prevent the diseases, because these are the diseases of the community or chronic diseases like the heart attacks, stroke or cardiovascular diseases, or weight uncontrolled, that is obesity, at the same time atherosclerosis or cancer, or COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, or sometimes diabetes, because this is causing so many deaths which is not affordable for any country. So we have to prevent these deaths. Now we will divide all these non-communicable diseases into four major categories. The first one is the cardiovascular disease, which consists of hypertension, atherosclerosis, stroke and the heart attacks. Actually, these diseases causing deaths around 18 million people annually from the world, which is quite higher number. But these things can be prevented. We have to take very less salt, less sugar and less oil in your diet. We have to consume the whole grains, also seasonal fresh fruits and the green leafy vegetable, so that the risk for getting or developing the cardiovascular disease can be minimized. At the same time, we have to be physically active, and we have to avoid the sedentary lifestyle. We have to manage our stress by taking the adequate sleep, so that we can get rid of these cardiovascular diseases. The second major portion is the cancer, which is causing 9 million deaths every year globally, which is a not less number. The risk factors for the cancer are the some viruses like the human papilloma virus, also some radiation, also some radioactive substances, or sometimes the strong sunlight exposure to the skin. So these things can cause the cancer. Also, smoking or tobacco products is one of the major risk factor for the cancer development. But these things can be prevented by avoiding the strong sunlight exposure, by covering your skin with white cotton cloths, or some applying some sunscreen lotions. Also, we have to avoid to go into pollution, or we have to avoid the polluted air, that will definitely prevent the cancer. Also, we have to avoid the dust or industrial dust that will causing the cancer, so we can prevent this disease. The third major non-communicable disease is the diabetes. Though it has a genetic predisposition, but it can be kept under control by modifying our diet, by making physically active lifestyle. The diabetes can be controlled. At the same time, we have to manage our weight or manage our stress by taking the adequate sleep, so that diabetes can be kept under control by increasing the insulin sensitivity and managing or reducing the body weight. The last and the fourth category of the non-communicable diseases is the respiratory diseases, which consists of COPD and bronchial asthma. Along with the diabetes, these respiratory diseases causes 5 million deaths globally, which is not less number. While preventing the respiratory diseases, we have to stay away from the industrial dust, we have to stay away from the pollution, we have to stay away from the smoke. At the same time, we have to do some breathing exercises and we have to walk in the fresh air. Friends, before concluding, we will see why we need to prevent the diseases so that the cost of the treatment of these non-communicable diseases is quite high, which will be not affordable for the developing countries like India. So we have to think for the prevention of these diseases so that we will be definitely in good position in global economy. The while preventing the diseases, what we can do, the first we have to be the physically active, so that we have to avoid the sedentary lifestyle, and we have to keep walking daily for 60 minutes at least 5 days a week. Also we have to avoid excess salt, excess sugar and excess fat from our diet. We have to avoid the preserved food, processed food, so that there will be less trans fat or saturated fat in your diet. Also we have to do some yoga and meditation and take some sound sleep, so manage the mental stress. Also we have to avoid all the tobacco and the smoking products that will definitely cause the respiratory diseases, that will definitely improve the respiratory system. At the same time, we have to control our weight by taking the healthy diet. Friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.